Hi everyone and welcome to Nikki's Kitchen. Today I'll be teaching you how to make sauteed asparagus with these simple steps. So let's get started. For this recipe I'll be using one bunch of asparagus cut into 1.5 inch in size. Here are the ingredients you'll need for this recipe. On high heat, adding 1 tablespoon of vegetable oil. Then add in 2 tablespoons of sesame oil. Adding 1 teaspoon of minced garlic. And stir fry for 1 minute. Add in your asparagus and stir fry for 1 minute. If you want to know more about my channel, hit the subscribe button for the latest updates and videos. Then add in a teaspoon of salt. Add in half a teaspoon of white pepper. And stir fry for 2 minutes. After stir frying for 2 minutes, it's ready to be served. And here you have it, delicious sauteed asparagus, made with just a few simple steps. Enjoy! And thank you for watching. Please subscribe to my channel and give me a big thumbs up. Bye for now and see you next time.